In Bangalore, because this is the very popular place where all the facilities are available. But when doctor came, I showed the letter and I asked her little bit hesitating that whether I say about my status, because this is a surgery. Doctor told me that we are all abroad in this field, so don't hesitate, so you can say. Then I relieved my status. Suddenly the staff's faces and even our lab technician, they changed because their faces turned pale. I asked them straight away, in spite of doing all these trainings and these workshops, in spite of spending so much of money, it is not reaching any PLWHS. And when this attitude will change, and who will treat me?
With the advice of an NGO doctor, Saroja landed at the Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement Hospital in Saragur from Bangalore, 250 kilometers away. Here, to her surprise, she was seamlessly integrated into the mainstream patient flow, even after she revealed her HIV-positive status. Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement has been involved with HIV care for almost a decade now. It is a pioneering effort for rural health care in Saragur at HD Kote Taluk near Mysore in Karnataka.
One of the most important things that we have tried to do is to integrate the patients, integrate the people and integrate the services in virtually all the HIV care activities that we are undertaking.
Initially we started off with the counseling center and the testing center. Now we need patients who need inpatient care, who need surgeries, who need deliveries, and also the care and support program which admits patients just for their routine care and treatment of OIs. With this, we have had to integrate a lot of HIV related activities into the existing hospital protocols. This has been done smoothly without making major changes so that it is not a major upheaval for our staff also.
The existing ward devotes 10 out of the 60 beds to HIV patients. Treatment for HIV is carried out in tandem with other infections in the hospital. Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement also provides anti-retroviral treatment to about 80 positive people. The staff are constantly oriented and sensitized to the fact that empathizing with the patient is as important as the medical component of care.
When I came to SUIM, I came for the general checkup. But here, I undergone for the DNC on the same day. The process which has been followed to the other general women, the same process has been followed to me also. That is, without discrimination, I undergone for the treatment, and same day I went back.
HD Kote Taluk is a rural belt with a significant tribal population where Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement works within the existing framework of social ethos. They look at solutions appropriate to the cultural context. Accessibility is one of the major impediments for the communities here. This prevents them from seeking healthcare early on. The Mobile Outreach Clinic provides basic diagnostic and treatment services to around 55 tribal colonies. The team responds to the existing needs and identifies new ones. Among the healthcare outreach activities, the tribal and rural populations have access to mobile voluntary counseling and testing facilities for HIV/AIDS.
ನಮಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಬಂದು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಂದು ಬೀಚು ಜೇನ ಅದು ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗರ್ಭಿಣಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೊಂದು ಸರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ.
At the Krishna Rajendra Government Hospital in Mysore, a unique experiment is taking place. The Anti-Retroviral Treatment Center is run by the health service providers from Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement. The Prevention of Parent-to-Child Transmission Center and Voluntary Counseling and Testing Center are run by the Government of Karnataka.
HIV ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊರಗೋದು ಅವ್ಯಾವುದು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ಮೆಡಿಸನ್ನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ಸಲಹೆನೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಸಲಿಗೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಅಂತೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ತೋಟಿಂದ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಬದುಕಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಾಳಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬದುಕಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಈಗಲೇ ಸಾಯಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೂ ನನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಛಲ ಹುಡ್ತು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ.
Care and support should not be an isolated one. It should be in the midst of the community or the center place. And because the people, why we come there to have a better treatment and where they can get a quality of life with a better treatment, and where can they serve or they sustain themselves. And counseling is necessary in the care center because to lead a quality of life there should be proper information and nutrition, and even the treatment information should be there. And even the ART facility is also very much important because I lost my husband. Well, that time ART facility was not there, and even proper information was not there.
ಕೀಳಿರಿಮೇನೋ ಅವರಿಂದ ದೂಡಿ